Sang Sang Tai Tai Leho. I am Mary Joy Abanto, 33 years old, from Pulangi, Albay, Philippines. I am a college level. I am single mother. I have two sons, ages 8 years old and 3 years old, and two daughters, ages 13 years old and 12 years old. I work as domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and 1 month. Year 2021 until 2024. I serve one couple and 3 children, ages 6 years old, 4 years old, and 2 years old. My duties are washing the clothes, cleaning the house, ironing the clothes, washing the kitchen, and everyday preparing the food. And I also taking care of children. I am very hardworking, trustworthy, flexible, and honest. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid, and I promise I will do my best to serve your family better. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.